My name is Sonam Dondup. For years, we believed that once we reached India, Nepal, Europe, or America, we would finally be free to speak, free to organize, free to live with dignity. But that belief was shattered. Chinese repression did not end when we fled Tibet. It followed us into exile. And now I turn to the very nation that opened its doors to me, France. But even here, Chinese pressure exists. Even here, we are not fully safe. Let me remind you of a tragedy France must never forget. July 2022. A young Tibetan man, Soltrim, 32 years old from Tibet, was murdered in Saint Leonard, killed by a Chinese restaurant owner and his employees, found in a parking lot, stabbed to death. This is not only about one man. This is not just une marche blanche. Justice for Soltrim is justice for every Tibetan who has been silenced. We Tibetans in exile are not troublemakers. We are survivors demanding justice. Lyon, 2022, 2024, 2025. Fête des bannières du monde. Every year, Chinese agents followed us. They confronted us. They provoked us. They even spoke to the French police, trying to push us away. But today, I show these Chinese faces to the world out of truth with proof. To protect Tibetans here in France, to protect our community from intimidation and fear, we will not ignore those who spy on us. They send our information to China, putting our families in danger. These are real Chinese spies, and their mission is to silence the Tibetan voice. Geneva, October 2025, in front of the United Nations itself. A Chinese woman tried to tear our national flag. A Chinese man kept shouting Xizang instead of Tibet, because they know our flag is proof that Tibet is not China. Our name is proof that Tibet has never been China, Tibet will never be China. But look at that Tibetan man. He did not respond with fists. He responded with dignity. He walked forward, lifting our flag even higher. We are here in France as political refugees because our country is not safe. We carry the memories of the imprisoned, the disappeared, and the singers who are no longer allowed to sing. That memory is not our burden. It is our responsibility. And this is my oath. I will speak the truth. I will remember. I will protect my people until Tibet is free.